Most immigrants struggle to land a job in Canada because they're not using the strategies that actually work in 2026. In this video, I'll show you my 5-step hunter strategy to start getting interviews fast as early as 7 days, even if you don't have any Canadian experience or education. This is one of the systems that I teach in our career coaching, the same coaching that has generated $40 million in job offers for our mentees. Hi, my name is Vani. Let's get started. Let's start with step 1, because अगर आप ये गलत करोगे, the other 4 steps won't matter. Most people waste weeks applying to jobs that were never real. Either the company already picked someone internally or the posting is just there to collect resumes. So the real question is, how do you find companies that actually need people right now? I have a solution for you. Go to this website, Crunchbase. It tracks startups and companies that recently raised money. And when a startup raises money, it means it's growing, which often means that they need more people. Now, if you don't have a strategy to shortlist companies, आप overwhelmed हो जाओगे. Here's how to narrow it down in 3 filters so you can end up with a list of companies that are way more likely to respond to you. So when you go to the website, you should type startups in Canada in your industry that have a dash team, which is your department. Let's assume you want to work in marketing in an IT company. So you'll type startups in Canada in tech that have a marketing team. Look at this. This AI feature makes your job so easy and pops up a list of relevant startups for you. Now here's a cheat code. Skip the glamorous startups everyone applies to. AI, trendy apps, big name brands. Instead, look for funded companies in boring sectors like supply chain, logistics, insurance, construction, tech, B2B, fintech, compliance, manufacturing software. They have the same money, but often way fewer applicants. Your goal is to come up with a golden list of 30 companies. It can be the first 30 in the list, last 30, or the ones that interest you the most. Doesn't matter, because we'll come back to this later. Now you have a list that most immigrants don't have. But how do you turn this list into interviews without applying online and waiting? That's step 3. It's where you separate yourself from 90% of the applicants, because you are going to stop asking for a job and start showing your value. You can't just message a startup and say, hire me, or I'm interested in opportunities. That sounds like everyone else. You need a reason. So this will be our research step. Your job is to find their growth pain, the specific problems the startup might be facing at the moment. And how can you do this research? You can go to the company page, look at what they do, size, funding date, and any recent hires. Apart from this, you can also go to the news tab. For more research, check out their website, research about the founder, and then you can even check the company's or founder's presence on LinkedIn. Also, we are living in 2026, so you can even ask AI to give you a deep dive on the startup. Now that you have researched the company, step 4 is to find the exact people inside that company who can actually say yes to hiring you. A lot of immigrants do this backwards. They apply online, then message a random recruiter, but recruiters don't always own the decision. You want to reach the people closest to the team that's hiring. So for that, go to the People tab and shortlist 3 to 5 decision makers. So now, who to add to your shortlist? If the company is small, the founder is often still approving hires, so add that to the list. Then you can also check out the head, VP, director of your department. For example, if you want to work in marketing, look for head of marketing, VP growth. If you want to work as an engineer, search for engineering manager, head of engineering. Apart from this, search for the hiring manager for the exact role. Sometimes it's a manager title, sometimes lead. Your goal is to identify, if I'm hired, who would I report to, and then add that person to the list. Another person that you can check out is the head of people, HR, talent acquisition. Once you do this, you'll have a list of 2 to 5 people to reach out to, and if you notice the pattern here, you see we are only identifying people who have the actual power to hire you, so that we don't waste time with random employees. Now you've got the right company and the right decision makers. Step 5 is the message, and this is where most people mess up. Most messages sound like this: hi, I'm looking for a job, can you refer me? And the truth is, busy people ignore that because it's generic and it creates work for them. Instead, you should send a short connection request note which shows your value. Your message should highlight 3 things: your company research, a specific growth pain or a goal, how you can help with that. And this is important, the proof should always be there. You can use this 3-line template: hi, their name, something about their company that you have noticed, then a line about your achievements which are relevant to the company and the role, and then a CTA talking about the next steps. Please remember to include proof of your expertise. That can be mentioning your relevant achievement or adding your portfolio link. So this completes the hunter strategy, but here's why most people still don't land an offer. They quit too early. They send 10 or 20 messages, hear nothing back and assume I am not qualified or the job market is bad. ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. Most people don't reply because they are busy. not because you are not good enough. So don't just message once, follow up. If they still don't reply, it's not the end of the world. Move on and find another company. Because this isn't a luck game, it's a consistency game. Some companies won't respond, some people won't be hiring, and that's normal. Your job is to keep running the system. Once you have messaged all 30 companies, go back to the original list and target next 30 and keep on doing this until you land a job. The more messages you send each day, the faster you will land a job. I wish you all the best, and if you want me to coach you to land your field job, check the first link in the description. If this video was helpful and you want to go deeper on job search strategies that actually work in 2026, watch this video next. It will show you 5 modern strategies on how to land interviews without even applying.